The people that I represent have had something taken away from them. They get injured, their health is taken away, their family members are taken away. The whole idea behind lawsuits is that you're going to provide a remedy for a wrong. I was born in Louisville, Kentucky. We moved here because my dad was a sports reporter. He got a job with the Post-Dispatch to be one of their sports reporters. We actually were living in a house at the time, a temporary house, and the house burned down. And that's actually my first memory is standing in front of the house, I guess, because it was like a 5-alarm fire where the house burned to the ground. And then about 10 days later, my father died from a heart attack. I guess it was the stress of having the house burned down. And the insurance company refused to pay my mother any money for my father's death. My mom raised my brother and I, and she had a lot of financial problems. I remember her crying, like at the kitchen table, worrying about not having enough money. You know, over time, that had an effect on what I wanted to do with my life, and it made me be able to empathize and put myself in the shoes of somebody that was in a similar position. And I didn't like the way insurance companies tried to take advantage of people or renege on their promises. So that all played into my wanting to become a plaintiff's lawyer. My legal career started off as a law clerk at the Missouri Supreme Court. Then I went to the U.S. Department of Justice, and I became a federal prosecutor prosecuting white-collar crime. And then I went to work for Armstrong Teasdale, which was a really big law firm, and I did defense work. It gives me a broad experience so that it, I think, helps me with strategizing what to do in a case, because I've seen a lot of different things done. Even if you might scare a potential client away, my job is always to tell them the truth. I try to tell them the risks that they're facing, the problems in the case, everything that we're going to have to overcome. It's my job to keep them as informed as I can, to help them know what's going on and why things are happening the way they are. Many times, personal injury cases have forced change. One of the best things about lawsuits as a lawyer is not just what you get accomplished in that individual case, but how you can affect change in society in general and make things safer for everyone. And I think I'm making a positive impact on people's lives because I can see the impact it has on their lives when they don't have enough money to survive.